Alright, today we are doing the Jurassic Park Jeep. We're doing this for Ernst's Body Shop. The hard thing when you got installs like this is they're really critical on where you have to put things at. I mean, I even have the guidelines of what size it needs to be and whatnot. It should be a lot of fun because, I mean, once it's done, it'll be something cool that you can see driving around town.
I'm removing old vinyl from the Daily Owned sign.
Hi! How's it going, guys? Just getting ready to print some Midwest Farmer emergency information signs that production will be completely covering on aluminum.
Honey child.
Passport hats.
Again?
Again.
I think last time we talked to you on the vlog, you were working on Massport hats.
They order a lot, Brandon, and Stace always needs me to help out. Some signs. He was wanting some, like with the promotional stuff that's coming out, like the elections and things like that. He goes for city council, so he wanted to know how much signs would cost for it. So I gave him the Coroplast sign price, which isn't most cost effective, so I gave him another option. There's these Bill Line signs. They're a little cheaper, but he needed them temporary, so it'd be a better thing for him. So I gave him different options, and so he's supposed to be emailing me the artwork, so I'm just gonna wait for that now, and then they got approved for him.
I am emailing me some photos I took earlier for a guy's truck to get accurate measurements and photos so I can design his vehicle.